Hi guys, welcome back. So don't mind my hair, haven't really done anything with it today. I am at home obviously and I'm going to be doing a few projects around the house. I have a lot planned for the next month of things that I really want to get done while I'm at home. I have a couple things I need to do to finish the bathroom, so I'm guessing that this video is going up after you've already seen my complete bathroom reveal. If not, it was my last video. But today I'm going to make my own like watercolor paintings to go up on the wall in there. So I wanted to show you guys everything that I have. First of all, I got these two canvases probably a week or two ago. They were like 70% off. They were such a good deal. And I got them from Michael's. So I got them just in time too before I'm spending a lot of time at home and stuff. So these are humongous. I've got a whole video planned for that because I'm going to make my own art because I've been talking about art for so long. This smaller one, well, it's still not small. This is like 48 by 48. This one's gonna go in the family room above the couch in there, and then the larger one, which I think is like 64 by 48, that one. The plan is to have it go right here. I knew I needed something really big because this wall is huge, like with the vaulted ceilings and everything, so kind of hoping that works out. I'm not sure, I've never like made my own art before, but I thought it would just kind of be like a fun project while I'm at home, like something to just, I don't know, be creative and kind of fun. I'll leave links down below to see if you guys can order any of these things online. This I ordered online. This is just from Amazon. This is watercolor paper, and it's 8 by 10. Which is the size that I needed for the frames that I'm going to use for the bathroom. This will be like a little haul. I'll show you guys what I got. This I got a couple weeks ago too, and I just have not got around to doing these projects because I spent my entire week last week working on the bathroom like every single day. So I got that. I got some acrylic paint that'll be for like these huge things, which I'm probably going to do a whole entire like separate video with these things, because that's going to be a big project. I got a watercolor brush. Like I said, I'll try to leave this stuff linked down below. White watercolor paint, and then a black one should be in here too. Yeah, a black one. So that's what, these are just the things I'm going to use today. Not that. And this to make my art for the bathroom. And then for these, I've been looking up a lot of information on like how to make your own abstract art. This is like tile grout. I have some other paint back here, like some chalk paint and stuff for another project. I got one of these. So I've got all sorts of things, but that will all be in a separate video. But for today, we're just gonna focus on my watercolor paintings, and I've never done this before, so I hope it turns out. But I just thought it would be a fun little project to do at home. I already have all my newspaper set out on the counter. So basically what inspired me to just make my own art is I was on the Minted website, and everything that I wanted to purchase for the bathroom, I just noticed it was very like simple, and I've talked about this in other videos too. Like the art that I like is very plain, and sometimes it's really hard to find, or just sometimes it's super expensive. So I thought I could make something myself that I still really liked, that was simple. Obviously it's not going to be the exact same as some of the other ones, but I think I can get the point across myself, hopefully. I mean, like I said, I've never actually done a watercolor painting. So, I mean, I don't really know what I'm doing. But, like I said, I ordered this paper, the 8 by 10 paper, on Amazon. Got this little paint tray. We got our paintbrush, and then our watercolors, which you do have to mix with water. And let me show you guys the frames I'm going to put these in. So, I got these acrylic frames. Hopefully it's focused. These acrylic frames from Target. They have the exact same ones from Crate & Barrel and West Elm, and they're way more expensive on those websites, obviously. This piece of art that's in here is from Minted, and I do think it looks really cute in here, but I might just get like another one. But yeah, this was from Target. I think this is the biggest size that they have, and online, if you see this, it might say 11 by 14, but as you can tell, like an 8 by 10 photo fits in it. I have another one like on the bookshelves back there, but yeah, these are the ones I'm planning to put my abstract art in. I can leave those frames linked down below too, because I think they're really cool and kind of modern, and I think they're gonna look perfect in the bathroom. Okay, so I got the brand Grumbacher. I had looked up different brands of like watercolor too, and that was a decent one. Oh boy, I'm kind of nervous. From what I was reading online on how to use this watercolor paint is you kind of have to test out and see how much water you want to use to kind of get it to like the consistency and the look that you want. So I'm just gonna kind of play around with that till I get it how I want. I'm guessing I'll probably go through more than one sheet of paper till I actually like have 2 photos that I really like. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. We'll just add that in. I don't know what to do next.
Just have fun with it. Maybe do less circles, more, now do some squares.
Squares?
Like a straighter line with a bend or something.
Oh boy. I might be getting a little carried away. Well, I guess it's not bad.
Let me see. Yeah, it's not bad. It's kind of cool. Oh, it's dripping.
Oh boy. Oh boy. I think I'll do another one.
How many of those do you have?
I have a whole pad of paper.
Oh, okay. Can I try one?
Yeah. Look at, I have a full pad of paper.
Oh, wow. Alright. So what, I dip, blend?
Yeah, I just kind of, I don't really know. So I just kind of got a little water on it and then, but I don't think you want too much, and then.
And when I grab this?
Yeah, I just kind of like mixed it in. Did you mix it in there?
No.
Yeah, like that's where I squirted the paint in, and then I like kind of went on there.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Ooh, I like that. Ooh. That's cool. I think you should go over that line again and like make it more straight and not like you hesitated. Yes. I love it. I'm actually really liking yours. No, I like that. I like how it like fades away.
Okay, I'm gonna do one more line here.
Look at Joshua, it's looking good.
What can I say? I got one more line I want to put in, but I don't want to make it too... I got a lot of circles, so I'm just gonna go straight across.
Okay. Cool. I think it's good just like that.
I agree.
Okay. Put it right here with our other one. This one, I don't like the one I did.
Yeah,
I'm gonna do it again. Yeah, when I see artists work online, they're working very fast and they're not thinking about it. I think that's what I need to do. I need to not think and just be like, where will the hand lead? What?
Yeah. Oh! But remember, don't keep that paintbrush over the paint, because then you get that little dot. You drip.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, so...
Okay.
Okay, I'm liking that so far.
Now what do I do?
Where are you going? So you started from the top. Now you want to start from somewhere else on the pad. And you don't need to like come into the, you could just start
do a circle or like a line?
Maybe do like
a half circle?
You do like a line that then goes out. So like start like here and go, or even like here and go, line and then around and out.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Whoa! Whoa!
Hey, it's not bad.
It's a little blank right here, but I think that might be good.
But that might be cool. It might be cool. I say we leave it. This one's my best work so far. Another one. Guys, this is fun. So, like I said, I'm gonna leave links down below if you guys want to do an art project at home, because I'm having fun with this. This looks cool, I think. I'm getting excited. So I went a little crazy.
That is actually really cool.
Well, I didn't really make a matching one to that one.
But that's a good idea.
The idea was nice.
Love this one.
That one's yours. I do think, surprisingly, yours is the best.
This one's cool. This one's cool.
Not surprisingly, but I was kind of hoping mine would be better.
This one's cool. These two right here would go matchy-matchy.
Okay. Well, what'll be cool is we'll have one of yours and one of mine.
Yeah.
This I did the drip marks on purpose.
You know what? That's cool if it was bigger.
Yeah.
Like if it was on a giant canvas. This one would be cool if it was on a giant canvas too.
Yeah.
And had a matching one maybe going this way.
Ooh. Yeah. Or maybe I should just do that.
Yeah, you could do that.
Okay, I'll make another one. So I came up with several. Now I just have to pick which ones I want to use. I am not an artist, so I know these aren't like really good or anything, but I can do it again at any time and like switch out the photos whenever I want. So I just thought it would be like a fun thing to do. So these are all the ones that I came up with. I have a bunch here, but I think it will definitely be fun to use Joshua's and then use one of mine too. So we each did one. And literally his was so good. We just framed them, and now that we framed them, they look way more like a real artist. Don't you think, Joshua?
Yeah, that one's better.
No, I think yours is better. So this one was mine, this one was Joshua's. I think these are the ones that look the best together. So Joshua's gonna hang them up now.
$10 if you want to buy them.
Here's our finished paintings on the wall. You guys will have to see my last video if you haven't already, if you guys want to see how the whole room turned out. I'm in my office. I've been working on editing that bathroom video, which has already gone up by now. But I have a package sitting here from Target that I got a few days ago, and I haven't even opened it yet because I thought it would be fun to open it on camera. So if you guys have been following my channel for a while, you would know I've always been a big fan of the brand Sugar Paper, and they usually collaborate with Target, I don't know, maybe once a year, twice a year. I get all of their Christmas wrapping paper, and they just come out with like really pretty stuff. So anyway, I follow them on Instagram, and I saw that they came out with, it's either glass or acrylic, I don't know, calendar. And I definitely want to, I haven't actually really decorated or styled this room. Like, this office is just kind of like random stuff that I've already had that I just kind of threw in here. So I haven't really taken the time to like decorate it, and I don't know, it's just, like I said, it's just like a bunch of random things. So this was kind of inspiring me to get my office decorated. But yeah, I followed them on Instagram, and I saw that they came out with a new line with Target. So these are the acrylic. Okay, there's two. Wow, I think this is glass. This is actually glass, and they didn't really wrap it up too much. This definitely could have broke. Okay, but it's really pretty. So this is what it looks like. It is a glass calendar. So you guys can see, it has like the gold little things on it. One of them fell off. It looks like it's sitting here in the box. Yeah, I definitely have to say that wasn't packaged super well. Totally could have broke. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there's like 3 of these down here. I figured out they also each came with a really cute little pen for it. They have little black polka dots on it, a little bit of gold. Oh, how does this work? It's white. It's like a white marker. Look at, look at.
Oh my gosh. Those are sweet.
Aren't they cool? Okay, and they came with white little markers. Look at how cool that looks.
White markers, and those erase?
I mean, I would assume so. So I wonder if I should do one April and one for May. Like, to like see the months ahead. Like,
Oh, good idea.
now that I've destroyed this room, I'm going to show you guys, like, just a nice little overview. I am obsessed with these. I think they are so pretty. It's kind of dark over here, but, yeah, I just think they're so cool. I love them, so I'll link them down below. Hopefully they're still in stock. I'll just link, like, their whole line down there, but I love them. They're so pretty. So, I do have to figure out, like, what I'm going to do with this room. Like I said, there's like no thought behind anything I've done in this room. This desk I've just had for a long time. This, I don't know, the curtains, everything. So I do want to kind of figure out this room. Luckily we already painted this room, and then we already did the trim in this room. This is the only room that we've done the trim in upstairs. I think the doors actually still need to be painted. I don't think we ever did that, but we really, really want to get the carpet changed on this upper level, I guess. We really want to do that this year because this carpet is just terrible. So I feel like if I got like a rug in here for now, that would really help. But it's really hard for me to like visualize even what this room should look like with this carpet in here. But I will figure it out. But I at least love these so much, and this will be really helpful. One be April and one be May, just to kind of like look ahead too. Good for planning videos and all that kind of stuff. Hi buddy, come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, hello. So I'm holding my dog's hand right now, but the rest of the day, Joshua and I actually ended up just cleaning out the garage, and it feels really, really good to have that project done because we've been wanting to really get it nice and clean for a while. So we did that, and I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I know it was like kind of random and stuff, but I hope that you guys enjoyed it. My next little project, I have all my projects sitting over here in this corner. You guys can see I have like paint and my canvases and everything. So this cabinet, I got this a few years ago. It was at our old house, and anyway, I don't know what's going on with the handles and stuff now, but I didn't think I was going to use it in this house, and then I changed my mind and I want to paint it now. I think I'm actually going to put that in our dining room. I'm going to move that little brown piece into the living room between a couple chairs. I think that's the plan. So anyway, that will be probably my next video. I'm going to work on painting that and getting it all styled and really cute and get some new knobs and handles for it. So anyway, make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss any of my videos. I'm sorry, I'm laughing, but my dog just like keeps grabbing my hand. But yeah, make sure you're subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys are all staying healthy and doing well out there, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what are you doing? You are so funny. You are so funny. Say bye.